Hey friends, in this video I will show you how we can install ChatGPT on Windows operating system. Basically ChatGPT is AI powered chatbot that helps you to answer your queries either that is related with the technology, financial or some other topic including like sports or whatever that you have the question. So ChatGPT helps you to answer in the proper way. So let's see how we can install it on Windows, and we'll see also how we can sign up and use the ChatGPT. So I'm just going to download the ChatGPT exe or MSI package from GitHub, or even you can download it from their official website as well. So I'm just going to search it on my Google browser, and I'm typing here chat GPT for Windows, and now you can see the first link is the GitHub link from where you can download the chat GPT application for your Windows, Mac or Linux operating system. So I'm just clicking over here and scrolling it down, and here you can see the list of the installation file for Windows, Mac or Linux. So because I'm just going to install it on Windows operating system, so I will select this MSI package and will download it, and this is about 6 MB of file. Now I'm going to execute it, run it, and clicking on next. This is the location where the software will be installed. Even you can change the path as well. And now I'm going to click on next and install, and yes, this has been installed successfully. And if you just want to launch it from here, so just click on launch ChatGPT, or even you can go on the program files. Here ChatGPT is installed, so either you can click it from this program list or the launch ChatGPT, which is just showing after completing of the installation. So now I'm clicking on the finish. Once you click on the finish, so a window related with the ChatGPT will show over here, and this will just connect the chat.openai.com, and now here you can start the chatting from ChatGPT Windows. But if you don't have any account with the ChatGPT, so first you have to log in or sign up with the ChatGPT. So just I'm going to show how we can log out or how we can create a account with the ChatGPT. So first I need to log out. Now I'm clicking on the sign up. Because my account was already registered and logged in, that's why it was just showing that the ChatGPT is logged in. Now you can use your Gmail account or Microsoft account to create the account with the ChatGPT. So in this case, because I have already created, so I will click on the login. Now I will just log in with my Microsoft account. So I will click on the continue with the Microsoft account, and see here Microsoft account is showing over here the account which I just used to log in with the ChatGPT. Now putting my password, and this is just going to sign in with the ChatGPT. Now signing has been done previously because I just searched the economy defined option, so this is the previous chat record is there. But if you want to remove it, so just clear the conversation and start chatting again. So click on the new chat, and here you have to just type whatever that you have the questions. Suppose if you want to know what is the chat GPT, so you will type chat GPT and click enter. Here you will get the information, hello, how can I assist you? So I just want to know what is chat GPT. You will see within a fraction of a minute I will get the complete information about the chat GPT, and this helps really in the right way. So suppose if you want to know about any questions regarding the technology, so cyber attack. See, I can see the answer is there. So this helps really in the right way. Whatever that you have the question, suppose I have a questions related with the physics. So what is element? This is related to the chemistry. So you can see the element is, the definition is there. And similarly, if you want to stop the generating, suppose this is just prompting the answer, but you just want to stop the response. So what you need to do, click on the stop response, because this has just completed. Now that's why you are getting regenerate response. Suppose if you want to know about any idol person like Mahatma Gandhi, essay on Mahatma Gandhi. So just type here, you will get the complete essay regarding Mahatma Gandhi. So here you can see. So this is really helpful for the students, even the person who is just preparing for any competitive exams, as well as also this helps for the technocrats or the engineers who is just preparing for any subject or any topic, so they can just get the information. If you are a web designer or if you are a programmer, so you can get the assistant from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT just helps you to answer your all queries. So this is the way which you can just follow to install the ChatGPT on your Windows operating system, and you can sign in by your email account, either that is Gmail, or you, if you don't have Gmail, you can use any account, email account. So this will helps you to log in and you can get the answer about your all queries. So thank you for watching this video.